Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick in an XLT trim. The Maverick is Ford's new compact pickup truck, coming standard as a two-wheel drive hybrid. However, this is an all-wheel drive model with the 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And first, looking into the modular box, where you do have the pre-installed attachment rails here, and you do have a 400 watt power outlet here, I believe, 120 volt, with the cargo lighting too, so you can see your stuff. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as having 120 volt power outlet, USB and USB-C there in the middle. And the seats can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some pretty deep storage bins underneath, which are also modular. These QR codes you can find here and in the bed of the truck give you a list of ideas of what you can do with your DIY advertised vehicle. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip information, My View with a digital speedometer, audio station, phone controls, settings for your screen, and some other features. And you can also go into further stuff there. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And this vehicle does have the 4K tow package, giving you a trailer brake controller and allowing you to do some light towing and hauling. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you do have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have a little bin there, and to the right, you have a little cubby there. Moving down, you have your media controls as well as your hazards, and moving down further, you have your climate controls with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay cozy. Moving down further, you have a USB and USB-C, as well as a 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have this cubby area here, where you can put your phone to stand up, lie down, and whatever else you want. Obviously not while driving. And then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, little cubby, brake hold, traction control shut off, auto start stop shut off, and then your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have another little cubby there, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside. And then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof, so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.